Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today is the Toronto Moto Social Day at 284 Carlo Avenue. But before we headed to Toronto, we all met at a friend's house, and then we left around 5:30 p.m. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Enjoy my video. Hey guys, so welcome to the Toronto Moto Social. There's a reason why I did not take a video on our way to downtown Toronto. Kasi unang-una, hindi nag-work yung dalawa kong GoPro. I charged them bago ako nag-ride, pero yung tiniturn on ko na, hindi na siya nag-turn on. So siguro sira na naman yung mga baterya ng GoPro ko, and wala akong spare batteries. But anyway, yung traffic papuntang Toronto na ay napaka-brutal. Hindi nyo rin ma-enjoy. At saka it will take me forever to take a video. Anyways, so yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video walk through Toronto Moto Social, again around 284 Carlo Avenue. We all got separated, yung grupo namin dahil nga sa traffic, napaka-brutal, nagkahiwalay-hiwalay kami, yung grupo namin. Yung iba nag-Bay Street, ako pati isa kong kasama, nagkano kami Don Valley Parkway, 401 to Don Valley Parkway. Alright.